Next, we have number 4, which is Shopify Print on Demand. Now, Shopify Print on Demand is very much like Merch by Amazon. However, you obviously aren't able to leverage Amazon traffic. You have to drive your own traffic to your own website. And of course, there are pros and cons to this. The pros are that you're in full control of how much traffic is sent to your website. You're in control of what the website and landing pages and product pages look like. You're in charge of the prices. And also, you don't just have to be limited to printing on t-shirts as you are with Merch by Amazon right now. You can print on pretty much any product you like, from, drinks mats for what are they called? Like coffee mats, table mats, whatever they're called. Duvets, pillowcases, t-shirts, of course, stilettos, canvas shoes, sandals, all sorts of weird and wonderful things that you can print on. And you can be more, you can enter the grey area. Well, not the grey area, but you can be more open with the sort of designs that you upload, design, upload, and sell on your website, because obviously Amazon have very strict rules, whereas on Shopify, it's your business, it's your company, it's your website, it's your brand, and you can do what you like with it and take it in any direction that you feel is right. And as I said, the cons are that you do have to drive your own traffic, so you do have to learn marketing and advertising. You do have to basically, you're responsible for how busy your website is. If you're not good at driving traffic to it, you're going to have to learn how to get good at that. There are a lot of skills you have to learn and develop. Additionally, some upfront investment is required. You do have to spend money on setting up Shopify, installing apps, getting email marketing systems set up. Even, I know you don't have to invest in inventory, but there are the ongoing monthly operational costs, and if you hire staff, they're going to cost a bit of money as well. But you don't have to risk inventory. You don't have to buy these t-shirts up front, because this is print on demand. When you get an order, only then do you forward that order to your printer, and they'll print it and ship it to your customer. That's how it works. And it is hugely profitable. I know very successful Shopify print on demand business owners and entrepreneurs who own multiple different print on demand websites. And it scales incredibly well with Facebook ads and actually any other advertising platform such as Google AdWords. And if you're able to find a niche that really loves your stuff and you can build a passionate audience, this can develop and grow into an incredibly valuable brand, and you can sell this for an extremely high multiple in a few years' time. You can sell your company, cash out, liquidate the company. Sorry, not liquidate the company. Sell it, your liquidation event where you sell it for cash and you've sold your first company, and you can honestly sell this for multiple hundreds of thousands of pounds depending on the monthly profit, the passivity of it, and basically how passionate your following and your audience is that you've built. And as I've previously discussed earlier on this slide, you do develop a wide range of very useful business skills that you can apply to other businesses in the future, such as building, leading, and managing teams. Because if this gets big, which hopefully it will do, of course, you are going to need to hire virtual assistants and manage those as your team under you. You may want to develop some graphic design skills, basic or advanced. It's up to you. You don't have to. You can outsource the design part of this if you like. Marketing and advertising, of course, perhaps even website development. Also, just a wider appreciation of how customers work, and when they're on websites with the view and intent to purchase, what drives them through the checkout process, what perhaps stops them from checking out, the barriers and obstacles that customers can come across on websites. And once you know these, it's very easy to build other websites, even purchase websites, and improve them and increase their profits simply by removing these different obstacles that customers come across and see as roadblocks when going through the checkout process. All sorts of e-commerce skills as well, such as upsells, cross-sells, post-purchase checkouts, pre-purchase checkouts, urgency and scarcity, copywriting, how to create an awesome product page, just everything like that. The use of UGC and the importance of reviews and social proof. It's just you learn an incredible amount of stuff in a very short space of time with an e-commerce business, especially Shopify print on demand. So it's an incredible business model and opportunity for people that love to learn new skills.